If you're thinking about upgrading your home theater seating, most people only focus on how the chair looks, but what really matters is the full experience. And that's where the Vorlux Tarantino seating really stands out. From the moment it arrives, this isn't one of those situations where you're dragging in heavy boxes and figuring out everything yourself. Vorlux offers white glove delivery, so everything is brought in, set up, and placed for you. There's no heavy lifting, no complicated installation. It's smooth, simple, and honestly, exactly what you'd expect from a premium product. Now, let's talk about the value. Chairs with this level of materials and features are usually in that $3,000 to $5,000 range. But here, you're getting that same premium experience at a much more accessible level. So it's not about cutting corners. It's about getting more for what you're paying. And once you sit in it, you really start to feel the difference. The top grain Italian leather feels soft and breathable. The feather blend cushioning gives you that sink-in comfort. And the triple motor system lets you adjust your headrest, lumbar, and recline independently. So whether you're watching a movie, gaming, or just relaxing, it adapts to you. This chair isn't just about comfort, it's built for everyday life. You've got a USB and USB Type-C charging right in the seat. Hidden armrests, storage for remotes, earphones, books, or even snacks or a laptop. And even a personal swivel table, so you've got a place for your drink, your popcorn, or even a laptop. Everything stays within reach, without clutter.
And the best part, the table is interchangeable. So you can switch it to either side, and it's also 360 degrees.
Then you've got the RGB lighting with multiple color options in the cup holders and the base. You can switch the colors, adjust the brightness, or turn it on or off with simple controls. It's one of those features that really changes the feel of the room without being over the top.
The RGB lighting has 7 different color options.
Setup is simple. All the accessories are included, and you just connect the color-coded wires in the back. The controller is easy to understand, with buttons for recline, lumbar, and headrest, charging ports, and lighting. Everything works exactly how you expect it. Now, this is where the Vorlux really builds trust. They offer a 5-year warranty on the main components, plus a 1-year full chair replacement for non-human damage. And within that first 3 years, they provide free replacement of core parts, like motors or structural components. So you're not just buying a chair, you're getting a real support behind it. And that gives you a lot more confidence in the long term. You also get to see the quality in the details. The diamond pattern design in the armrests and backrests, the clean stitching, the subtle logo, and even the connector clip underneath, which lets multiple chairs lock together seamlessly. Everything feels intentional and very well built. This is a full-size theater chair with a height of 44.5 inches and a width of 38 inches. It has a strong presence in the room, while still being comfortable for long sessions. And when it comes to maintenance, it's very easy. Just wipe it down with a soft cloth and it stays looking clean and fresh. At the end of the day, this isn't just about a chair. It's about the entire experience. From delivery to comfort to long-term reliability, the Vorlux Tarantino seating really hits that balance between premium quality, strong value, and peace of mind. And that's what makes it really stand out.